is me again, Cooper from Sobson. Now I have a Lego review. Yep, Lego Kingdoms, the battle pack. Yeah, Lion Knights, and this is the first guy I want to show you. Yeah, the flag salute guy. Shield, Lion Knight shield, spear added with the flag. Well, I don't know what happened to my helmet of this guy, then yeah, so I just added a hair. His face, yep. Double-sided chainmail, but look at that belt, it looks uncomfortable. Yep. And my most favorite, I always wanted for all time, an archer, or a crossbowman, yeah. This was the helmet that the flag salute guy had, but I lost it, yeah. Yeah, brown crossbow, so that must be in red. The back, he has a quiver, double-sided chainmail, and yeah, the same face as usual, as the flag salute guy. Next, yep, he's like a giant pikeman. Yeah, a pikeman. I don't know, but yeah. He has that face. Yeah, shield. But he doesn't have a double-sided chainmail. He has like this Lion Knight shirt and a lighter belt. Like he has like this farmer helmet, but more metal. And he has like this pike or something. It's kind of like from Uruk-hai. Like, you know, like a Lord of the Rings, the Uruk-hai weapon, yeah. But I don't have Uruk-hais, yeah. And this is like a advanced mace bowman. Yeah, there's his mace. That's his head. At first, the battle pack, it had his plume like this, but then I just changed it to be like, yeah. But I just loved it like this better. This is not just one ordinary shield. It's like a Crusader shield. Crusader. But it has a lion on it. Yeah, that's her again. The back, I forgot to show you the back. And very elite, advanced guy that served in the army. That's his face. It's like an old face. Let me take that helmet off for you. See? That's his face. Yep. His face is like old. I'm very happy for the first time to have this blade. Yep. His helmet. Yeah, his plume was like that also, but I changed it, yeah. The shield again. Red cape. Spartans. Yeah. Spartans. And this like armor, chainmail on his knees. Yeah, I hope you guys like it. There's also a more popular battle pack. That's the Dragon Knights. Yeah, be sure to get both of these. Well, I don't have the Dragon Knight yet, so I'm gonna get it next time. This is Cooper from Sobson signing off.